Chapter number 3, data handling.
Okay, ma'am. One interesting chapter.
This one's interesting chapter. You will need graphs for this, not for the first
I have.
exercise. Yes, for the third exercise, you will be needing the graph. So by that time, you
Ma'am,
should
bar
arrange
graphs.
graph sheets. Yes, we will be drawing bar graphs. Yes, Ananya?
Ma'am, I want to ask you, I am on absent
Okay.
Saturday, so please tell me what is done on Saturday.
बेटा we were doing chapter 15. हमने 15 chapter का ही थोड़ा सा काम किया था.
Ma'am, in notebook?
Yes, some part was in notebook and
And
some
that
part was in the book. I have sent it in the group. I have sent images.
Ma'am, I was not able to see yesterday.
Okay,
Please
I will
send it.
share the photos again.
Okay, ma'am.
You can
Thank you.
complete your work from there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Gursimran?
And there was a message in our official group that we have to submit our notebooks on Wednesday or Friday. Ma'am, your maths notebook we can also submit.
Yes, you can. Anyone who comes to the school or drops the notebook at the reception, beta do bring it to my notice. मेरी knowledge में जरूर हो कि कौन-कौन से students अपनी notebook school drop करके जा रहे हैं for correction.
And
In
maybe I will drop on Wednesday.
In any case, whenever you drop it, just let me know. Inform जरूर कर देना मुझे. ऐसा ना हो आपकी copy वहाँ हो और मैं collect ही ना करूँ. ठीक है?
I will send you personal message.
Yeah, send me a personal message. Yes, Ananya, Anhad, Angad, Meet, better you've raised your hands.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
Anhad,
send the definition.
you are going to write alongside or you want to write afterwards?
I want to write alongside, ma'am, because it will
Ma'am,
be easier.
afterwards.
Those who want to write
Afterwards.
alongside, write with me. Write with me.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
मैम आपको हम साथ चलते कि इंग्लिश में हिंदी में राइट
Ma'am?
करती हैं।
And yes.
Yes, Angad, Meet.
Ma'am, what is hyperplane?
Hyperplane. You are referring to a solid shape.
Side by side.
Arshad, better try to reconnect in case you can't hear my voice, if my voice is breaking. Angad, Meet, beta, you are asking me about a three-dimensional figure, hyperplane. Ab beta, abhi, if you are clear about two-dimensional shapes, आपकी two-dimensional shapes जो हैं उनको planes भी बोल देते हैं हम. ठीक है, तो planes की transformation. Right now, you are only discussing about how we can view a solid shape. जितने भी हमारे पास two-dimensional figures हैं, इनको अगर हम different way में modify करें. If you watch that video which I had shared, कि two-dimensional shape को जब आप rotate करते हो, ठीक है, rotate करते हो, तो आपको 3D shape मिलती है. Same way, any two-dimensional shape can be, transformed into some other three-dimensional shape. So hyperplane is obtained when a plane is transformed. आपको अभी इतनी डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ बेसिक आप अंडरस्टैंड करो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू डिमेंशनल एंड थ्री डिमेंशनल शेप्स. बिकॉज ये जो अगर आप स्टडी करो ना द शेप्स ओनली, इट्स अ वेरी वास्ट लाइक टॉपिक. बहुत सारा इसमें आपके पास काम आ जाएगा. Like those who will take up math in higher classes, maybe at graduation level and post graduation level, they will all know about these terms. Okay, Harsheen, if you are online, I'm not sure. Let me see. That's fine.
Ma'am, I will go in the field of science in future.
Let's write down before your class ends. We only have 2 or 3 minutes left. those who are doing it with me. Data, the name of the chapter is data handling. So data refers to collection of facts and figures. Can anyone give me an example of some data? Anhad?
And like strength of students in the class, like weather reporting, days of the week, and how children are reporting in the school, percentage of children, like
That's
that.
right. I will just write down a couple of examples. Marks obtained by the students in a test फॉर एनी क्लास एनी सब्जेक्ट, कोई टेस्ट हुआ और उसके मार्क्स हमने नोट किए हैं, वो जो लिस्ट बन जाएगी, those that list will be called data. Another example could be if I write down what is the favorite color of the students in your class.
मैम
Yes, Anad.
मैम मैम मुझे मैम आप जी सेंड करोगे मैम ग्रुप में? मैम
Can anyone tell me what is an observation?
And that we notice that what is the percentage, and then like that is called observation, that we are seeing that how many children are doing. Ma'am, like this is observation. Ma'am, I know, ma'am, but I can't. Like, I'm not able to tell.
Each value of the data is called an observation. अगर मैंने आपकी क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स का फेवरेट कलर लिखा, किसी का रेड है, किसी का ब्लू है, किसी का पिंक है, किसी का ब्लैक है, किसी का ऑरेंज है, तो जो लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करूंगी मैं, उसमें ये वर्ड्स आएंगे, रेड, ब्लू, ऑरेंज, पिंक. दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड ऑब्जर्वेशंस. अगर मैं मार्क्स लिख रही हूँ तो सारी फिगर्स होंगी मेरे पास, नंबर्स होंगे. अगर मैं आपके फर्स्ट टर्म के मार्क्स लिखूं या पीरियोडिक टेस्ट के मार्क्स लिखूं, 20, 21, 22, 23, maybe 25, maybe 12, all these numbers are called observation. जो लिस्ट मेरे पास है, उस लिस्ट की हर वैल्यू को I can call an observation. Another term which can be used to describe an observation is a term. Observations are also called terms. Now, before we leave, can anyone tell me how many types of data we have?
Then primary and secondary data.
Can you explain further?
And like, ma'am, I'm thinking. Ma'am, as you did in 6th primary and secondary data.
Primary data is one which is collected first hand. For example, if I require the list of marks of the students of your class and I collect the data myself, then the data is called primary data. Whatever I want to do with it, I'm going to collect it myself by individually asking each of the students. Whereas if I ask the class monitor to do it, and I just take the list from that person, how the class monitor prepared it, how much effort the child put in, I'm not concerned with that. I just require the list, and it will be secondary data. The sources of secondary data are TVs, newspapers, libraries, internet even, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that will be all for today. We will do the rest of the work on Wednesday.
Then we will write in class only.
I'm going to share the PDF with you and then you can note down. We will discuss on Wednesday and continue with the exercise.
We have to write this this point, that primary and secondary data.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you quickly share after the class?
Yes, correct, Damandeep. I will share this.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good one.
Thank you.